USA Performance Parts. I'm out in the warehouse. I've assembled a great small block Ford complete top end kit. We start out with a great 195cc runner aluminum head. We use the Erson stainless steel valves in it. Comes with the Erson valve spring set up for the camshaft supplied. Comes with 4130 chrome moly retainers, ID locators, Viton seals, locks, everything you're going to need to assemble the heads. Comes with a Edelbrock intake manifold. This comes with a complete Fel-Pro gasket set. Now if you're overhauling the engine, this has everything you're going to need in it. We furnish the separate intake manifold gasket set to fit the cylinder head. Comes with the head bolts, the intake bolts, all the bolts you're going to need. Comes with a great looking chrome valve cover. That's where most kits stop there. What we do is we furnish a hydraulic camshaft with this, with the lifters, the Erson push rods, complete double row timing chain, and complete with the needle bearing roller rockers. So now you have a complete kit to completely assemble the top end of your small block Ford. All this is in stock in the warehouse. Just give me a call here at USA Performance Parts, 704-397-7979.